An asteroid deemed potentially hazardous was making stargazers sweat after its discovery in January. "In my almost 10 years at ESA, I've never seen such a risky object," said astronomer Marco Micheli of ESA's Near-Earth Object Coordination Center in a press release. On January 6th, Science Alert reports, astronomers at Arizona's Mount Lemmon Observatory spotted 2022 AE1, a roughly 70-meter-wide asteroid which by all accounts looked like it might collide with Earth on its next pass, on the 4th of July in 2023. And after a tense week of observations, the chance of impact was only going up. The object was flagged for a potential future impact by the Asteroid Orbit Determination System, which is used to measure asteroid risk level and given one of the highest rankings on the Palermo scale, used to prioritize impact risks. But after a harrowing second week while it remained hidden behind the full moon, astronomers breathed a collective sigh of relief when finally training their sights on the asteroid again. With more observations allowing them to refine its orbit more accurately, and by running computer simulations to calculate its odds of impact, astronomers were able to determine that 2022 AE1 would soar past Earth at a distance of about 10 million kilometers, more than 20 times the distance from the Earth to the Moon. As the NEOCC's Laura Fagioli, who computed the asteroid's orbit, explained, the data was clear, confirmed the next morning by our counterparts at NASA. Asteroid 2022 AE1 poses no impact risk. Had 2022 AE1's path remained uncertain, we would have used any means possible to keep watching it with the biggest telescopes we have. As it was removed from our risk list, we didn't need to follow it anymore. Time to move on to the next.